guys, English Dan, another video for you. I said to you that I was getting the TCL 10 Pro. Well, here it is. It just got here this morning. So we're going to unbox it and have a quick look, see what it looks like. If you don't know, this is the flagship for TCL's new phones. They're releasing 3 phones. None of them are going to be over $500, and they're even going to be releasing a 5G version later in the year of the 10L, I believe. This, however, is the Pro. This has all the bells and whistles, 6 gig of memory, 128 gig storage. It's got the really nice screen on there. Anyway, let's have a look what's in the box, shall we? So I've got my copper knife. Don't mess with me. So let's get this open. Hopefully I don't cut my wrist. If I do apologise. There'll be a lot of blood everywhere, but I have to get this done. So let's get rid of this plastic. Alright. So on the box you can see 6.47 FHD+, it's AMOLED with the curved screen, HDR10, sorry about the pig noise, my son's behind me playing with the dog. HDR10 screen, it's also Netflix HDR10 certified, 64 megapixel camera, 128 gig ROM, 6 gig of RAM, 4500 milliamp hour battery. So this thing is packing some specs, it really is. It runs on a Snapdragon 675. So, pretty snappy processor as well in there. Anyway, let's open this box. Take my copper knife. Let's have a look. What do we get in here? This is a tight box. Come on. There we go. So, first thing you see is the phone. We're just going to put that to one side for a moment. Underneath here, you get the SIM pin. Inside this box here, you get your safety and precautions leaflet, but you also get a really nice case. It says display greatness on it because obviously the display is one of the key features of this. So yeah, transparent TPU case. I do love that when manufacturers put these in the box. It's awesome because you can instantly protect your device. I don't know why more don't do this. You gotta remember these phones here are so much cheaper than a lot of these more flagships, and flagships give you nothing. So well done TCL, impressed with that. In this side we get the USB-C cable. It's white, it's quite a thick cable as well. Not bad that. It's not going to snag on anything and break. USB-C, USB-A. And then on this side we get the Qualcomm 3.0 fast charger from TCL. So yeah, now let's have a look at the phone quickly. Yes son, we're looking at the phone. I know. My son's excited too. So as you can see, TCL 10 Pro, display greatness. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is a stunning colour. It goes from like really dark grey to almost silver. That is super, super nice. Very impressive finish. As you can see, you got your 4 cameras there and your 2 flashes on the sides. Has the big pixels for night mode. I suppose it has some serious night mode in this. Let's power this baby on. This side you get your remote. This is your volume controls. Power button. Wonder what that one is. We'll find out. Anyway, here it is booting up. Alright, so it's booted up. Not got my SIM in it or anything. I'm going to put my details in and we'll come right back. Alright guys, it's all set up. Look at the screen on that. First thing I noticed straight away is the screen, the Next Vision screen. It looks fantastic. And it's really snappy. I mean, it's not, no slouch whatsoever. I've not put any of my details in here yet, but I mean, it is real snappy. So yeah, it looks superb, the screen. I can't wait to try this out. Even has like the edge panel, so we've seen this before, and it can be a real handy feature to put some shortcuts in there to quick access. Very nice. Not too much messed around with here either by TCL. It's pretty much stock Android. I'm very, very impressed so far. Looks very good. Anyway, so screen looks great. It's got the little notch at the top with the camera. Small bezel at the bottom. you can't really see the bezels on the side because they slope over. It just looks superb. The smart key button, that's what this is. It's the smart key, so you can set it to do different things, which is real nice. You're not dedicated like on a Samsung device. They tell you you've got to use that for Bixby or turn it off. This, you can choose what you want to do with a single press, double press, or long press. So yeah, very, very good options on that. But yeah, this was just a first look. Not tested the cameras out or anything yet, but I'm looking forward to it. As you can hear, my son's interested in it. Love the colour of the back. TCL logo there, it's not garish or anything. This is information about the camera, but yeah, absolutely love the build quality on this. And it's not heavy either, it's real nice and light, but feels ultra premium. Oh, it also has in-screen fingerprint sensor, and it also has face unlock. I'll show you more of that in the review after I've used it for a little while. But yeah, do you agree? Yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, this is English Dan and English Dan Jr. signing out.